Starting a YouTube channel used to mean expensive gear, video crews, and long editing nights. But now, with AI tools, you can launch an entire channel scripting, voicing, editing, and even thumbnail design without touching a camera. This isn't science fiction. It's the new reality of content creation, powered by AI tools that are smarter and more accessible than ever. The first step is choosing a niche. Let AI help here. Use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm profitable, evergreen topics. Whether it's finance, true crime, tech reviews, or storytelling, AI can suggest specific angles, audience interests, and even map out a 30-day content plan tailored to what people are searching for on YouTube right now. Once your niche is locked in, it's time to write your scripts. This used to be the hardest part, but now it's one of the easiest. ChatGPT can generate full video scripts from just a short prompt. Want a 10-minute documentary-style video on how to invest in crypto? Just ask. You can even specify tone, structure, and keywords to make it SEO-friendly. After you have a script, it's time to record the voiceover. No mic? No problem. AI voice tools like 11 Labs, PlayHT, and Murph can turn your script into realistic voiceovers that sound like professional narrators. Choose your voice type, gender, accent, and even add emotion or pauses. It's as easy as copy, paste, and click. Need visuals? Enter text-to-video platforms like Pictory, Runway ML, and HeyGen. Upload your script, and these tools will match your narration with stock footage, dynamic text, or AI-generated scenes. No editing skills required. You can adjust the pace, add transitions, or let the AI do it all for you automatically. If you want to use animated avatars or virtual presenters, tools like Synthesia and DID are game changers. They create lifelike AI avatars that can speak your script with sensed lip movement and facial expressions. Perfect for educational content, explainers, or when you want a virtual host without appearing on camera. For thumbnails and titles, AI design tools like Canva's Magic Design, Adobe Firefly, and Midjourney can generate scroll-stopping graphics. Just describe the vibe you want. Bright, bold thumbnail of a robot editing video on a laptop, and they'll turn it into a high-quality image that looks human-made. Add some text, and you're good to go. SEO is crucial on YouTube. Luckily, AI helps here too. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ use AI to suggest optimized titles, tags, and descriptions based on trending keywords. They analyze what similar creators are doing and recommend what you need to rise in the algorithm. It's like having a mini YouTube strategist on your team. Uploading content becomes a breeze once everything is ready. YouTube Studio allows you to schedule uploads, add subtitles generated by AI, and analyze how each video performs. You can also use ChatGPT to write community posts and video summaries that keep your audience engaged between uploads. Engaging with your audience is critical. If replying to every comment feels daunting, AI tools can help. ChatGPT or Claude can help you draft replies in your tone, even personalized based on the comment's sentiment. This maintains a personal touch while saving you time as your channel scales. Want to promote your videos on other platforms? Repurpose your content with AI. Tools like OpusClip and Descript can auto-cut your full-length videos into short-form TikToks, Reels, or Shorts. They even add captions, transitions, and hook-driven edits all with one click. Maximize reach with minimal effort. For branding, AI can generate logos, channel banners, and intros. Tools like Looka or Brandmark use your niche and style preferences to deliver custom branding kits. Lumen 5 and InVideo can then create intros and outros with motion graphics that elevate your channel's look instantly. Curious how successful your videos are? Use AI-powered analytics. Tools like Vidly and SocialBlade give deep insights into growth patterns, audience behavior, and competitive benchmarking. They don't just tell you what's working, they tell you what to do next. As your channel grows, you can automate even more. Train a GPT model on your brand voice to auto-generate scripts. Use Zapier or Make to auto-upload content, respond to emails, and track performance across platforms. Your AI tools can become a fully functioning creative team. And yes, monetization is possible even with AI-run channels. Channels based on listicles, facts, niche education, or storytelling can generate serious ad revenue. Combine this with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merch, and you've built a passive income machine fueled by automation. If you think AI channels can't connect emotionally with audiences, think again. With good scripting, emotionally intelligent narration, and engaging visuals, AI content can be just as powerful as human-made videos. The key is intention, using AI to serve the message, not replace meaning. Worried about originality? Use AI for inspiration, not duplication. Personalize the script, add your own stories or insights, and blend multiple tools to create something unique. Think of AI as your co-creator, helping you accelerate ideas rather than just copy content. There are creators right now making $10,000 a month from Faceless channels powered entirely by AI. Some are focused on motivational videos, others do crypto explainers. Some make cinematic short stories. The common thread? Smart use of tools and consistent publishing. Start small. You don't need all the tools at once. Begin with ChatGPT for writing, 11 Labs for voice, and Pictory for visuals. As you grow more comfortable, add SEO, branding, and editing layers. Before long, you'll have a workflow that runs like a machine. One surprising tip: use ChatGPT to act like a YouTube strategist. Prompt it with "Act like a viral growth expert. What should I change in my YouTube channel strategy this month?" And it will give you personalized, step-by-step advice. Keep evolving with help from AI. Experiment with different content types: tutorials, explainers, top 10 lists, interviews, AI-generated animations. Track what your audience responds to. Let AI analyze the feedback and adapt your strategy automatically, so you're always aligned with viewer interests. Collaboration is possible too. Use AI to create cross-channel content. Partner with other AI-based channels, voice swap scripts, or remix popular videos with your unique spin. The AI community is growing, and partnerships can boost exposure and creativity. Concerned about ethics? Stay transparent. Let your viewers know AI is involved. Many actually find it fascinating. You don't have to pretend to be human. In fact, AI-powered is becoming a niche of its own. Authenticity is about being clear with your audience. Time-wise, what used to take 10 hours now takes 1. AI tools let you batch produce videos. Schedule a month's content in advance and pivot strategies instantly. The efficiency is a game changer, especially for creators juggling content with jobs or school. The cost barrier has dropped too. Many AI tools offer free tiers or low-cost subscriptions. For under $100 a month, you can run a fully functional channel, complete with scripts, voices, editing, thumbnails, analytics, and branding, all automated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep making content that empowers creators like you. Drop a comment below if you're starting your own AI-powered channel. We'd love to hear your journey.